Hello and welcome to the Pure V Compensation Plan Training. This is Jenny Lusby. My husband Tony and I are the founders and the CEO of Pure V, and I'm super excited to take this time to help you better understand the compensation plan and how it works. Just a little background on my husband and I. We actually have 30 years of combined experience in network marketing. And what we did here is we actually took the very best of every compensation plan that we've had the opportunity to be a part of. And we actually wrote this comp plan based on those experiences. And so, anyway, without further ado, I'm just going to jump right in and start sharing with you guys exactly how this works. There's 7 different ways that you can earn here at Pure V. Some of you, maybe you just want to share a little bit and make a little bit of money. Some of you, on the other hand, may be interested in earning a lot more. So obviously there's 7 different ways that you can earn. And I'm just going to take one of these at a time and really break it down. So we have number 1 is the retail customer bonus. Number 2 is our partner bonus. Number 3 is my favorite. It's called the binary team bonus. And on that one, you can actually earn up to $25,000 per week. The lifestyle bonus is the 4th one. I love this because this is just an extra bonus to reward you for hitting the different ranks in the company and to earn just a little bit of fun money. So whatever you want to do with that lifestyle bonus, it could be massages, it could be maybe you want a car, maybe you want to get a free Jeep. But also we do have a Jeep Club bonus where on top of the lifestyle bonus, if you do decide to get a Jeep and it meets the requirements of our company, you could actually get an extra bonus for that Jeep Club. Number 6, we have a check match bonus. And then finally, number 7 is what we call the Founders Club bonus. So again, just to kind of jump right into this, the retail customer bonus. Now, this is just an immediate bonus. It's kind of like a referral fee. Every time that you send someone to your website and they make a purchase of any dollar amount, you're going to actually receive a commission. So basically the way this works is it's paid out on CV, which stands for commissionable volume. So in this example, if someone went to your website and they ordered 200 CV worth of product. Basically, what's going to happen here, we're going to take that 200 CV, we're going to times it by the 25% commission, which is basically a $50 retail customer bonus that you will get on your next Friday's commission check. So, in addition to that, we wanted to also reward the upline. Let's say you're building a big team. We didn't want to penalize the people that didn't really have anything to do with this purchase. So we basically also decided to take 50% of that CV from that purchase and actually put it into the binary team. So that's just another way that you can earn commissions on top of this one-time retail bonus. So hopefully that makes sense. But again, 50% of that purchase of that CV is going to flow up into the binary. So again, you can earn an additional 10 to 12% potentially on any of your partners that actually have retail customers, because again, that volume will flow into the binary. This is also paid out every Friday. So every week that you have someone go to your website and place any product order, you're going to receive that commission the following Friday. Now, keep in mind, if you do want to be commission active, you just want to make sure that you have a 50 CV order set up on your subscribe and save at least every 28 days. Now, you can change that around. You could do 2 Pure Max bottles, you could do 2 products, you could do all of them, a bundle pack. The beautiful thing is we have so many great products that you can actually change that up every single month so that you're not getting a stockpile of the same product. So anyway, that's the retail customer bonus. And then second, this is again just another one-time bonus. It's kind of like another referral fee. Anytime that you bring a brand new partner into Pure V and they join with an enrollment pack as a partner, you're going to actually get paid every single week on all of your brand new enrolled partners for that particular week. So let's just say, for example, this week you had someone go to your website, they joined on a challenge pack. These are essentially a 10% bonus. So again, this is a $239 package. You're going to get a one-time partner bonus of $25 for that particular order for that week. Wellness pack is $319, so it's a little over 10%. And again, if someone joins your business business as a partner and they come in on the wellness pack, you're going to get a $35 partner bonus for that. And then, of course, we have the founders pack while supplies last. We're only going to have 1,000 founders in the company, and then we'll change this to a different type of a package. So, but anyway, right now, you guys, it's $100 for founders. And so every time you bring in a brand new founder, you're going to get a $100 bonus the very next Friday. So again, just make sure that if you do want to earn all 7 different ways, you want to make sure that you have a 50 CV order on your auto ship. And again, you can change that anytime that you want, but it not only allows you to earn commissions, it also allows you to actually store volume, which if you don't understand what that means, you definitely want to get with your upline leaders and find out how stored volume can benefit you. All right, so the third way, and like I mentioned earlier, this is one of my favorite ways. I remember 20 years ago when I was introduced to network marketing and I first saw this binary structure. I was so confused. I didn't understand what in the world this meant, but I will tell you guys, this is so much fun because let's just say this is you. You join the company as a partner. In order to start earning binary team commissions, the first thing you want to do is you just want to sponsor one partner on your left who is active and one partner on your right team that is active. So that's the first thing you want to do. And that will actually help you advance to the very first rank in the company, which is called Star. You can actually earn up to $200 a week at the Star level. And again, up to, I say, because some of you may earn less, some of you may earn as much as 200 a week on this one particular bonus. So again, the name of the game here is you have a left team and a right team. That's why it's called a binary team commission. But what I personally love about this is, let's say you bring in your friend, right? Your friend Becky. Becky all of a sudden shares it with her neighbor. Her neighbor, Chris, who you have no idea, you've never met her. Chris shares it with her boss. Next thing you know, there's people in this team that you've never even met, and you can actually earn commissions on all of the commissionable volume that is flowing through these 2 different legs. And so the way this works, you have the left team, the right team. Every single Sunday night at midnight, our software will actually take a snapshot of how much volume your left team has generated this week, how much your right team generated. And basically, you're going to earn anywhere from 10 to 12% commission on the lesser volumed leg for that particular week. So to give you an example, this week, let's just say this leg had 1,000 points. This one had 1,500. So in this example, 10% of 1,000, you would actually earn a $100 commission bonus this week on top of the other 6 different ways that you can earn. And so what I love about this, the more people you share this product line with and the opportunity, the higher you're going to go in rank. And with the rank advancement, as you can see, it actually opens up more money-making opportunities. So at Star 500, instead of only being able to cap out at 200 a week, you can earn up to 300 a week. Star 1000 goes to 400 a week, and anyway, as you go through the different ranks, you can see that you can actually earn up to $25,000 a week at the Black Diamond level. So currently in the business, we have 2 diamonds right now, you guys. We are still a baby company, a very young company, but this is currently the highest rank in the company, and you can earn up to $5,000 a week. We made this very generous. We didn't want to cap people out too low. So again, up to $5,000 a week just in this one of 7 different ways that you can earn. The name of the game here really on this binary team, you want to build your left team and your right team as big as you can over time. You also want to try to keep them evenly balanced. So again, this is the binary team. I love this one, you guys. It's a chance to really earn through unlimited levels and earn on people that you've never even met that end up falling into your binary team organization. So again, that's the binary team. It's paid out every single Friday. And the bigger you grow your team, obviously, the bigger those bonuses. So now this is the lifestyle bonus. This is, again, just a fun little bonus. A lot of companies will put this into different things. We wanted to make it where you could actually go out and do whatever you want with that money. So the bronze, once you go bronze, you can actually earn an additional $25 a week. Every week that you qualify and requalify at the bronze level, that's an extra $25 a week on your commission check. So again, up to an extra $100 a month here. When you go silver, this is going to be an extra $50 a week, which is an additional $200 a month for every week that you qualify. And then, of course, it just keeps getting better. As you go gold, you can earn up to $300 a month. And again, this is paid out every week. So we're just showing the monthly amount. But again, you want to make sure that you're requalifying on a weekly basis because this commission is paid out every single Friday. So again, the Emerald goes up to $500 a month, Diamond $600 a month, Double Diamond is $700 a month, and it keeps going from there. Triple Diamond, you can make an additional $800 a month, and then Black Diamond is an extra $1,000 a month. So again, you can do whatever you want with this bonus. If you want to get massages, if you want to get a car, if you want to remodel, whatever you want to do, you guys. I just love that this is a monthly reoccurring, commission bonus that you can get every single week. All right. So let's keep going, you guys. This is just a brand new addition. This is a new incentive that we just rolled out. Tony and I had the opportunity to be a part of another company that also offered a Jeep club. And to be honest with you, at first I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm not really into Jeeps, but I got to tell you guys, Jeeps are amazing. Whether you have never driven one or not, they are just a lot of fun. You can drop the top, you can get a Wrangler, you can get a Rubicon, a Gladiator. You can even get one of the fancier ones. They have the Wagoneers out now that are absolutely beautiful, Grand Cherokee. But anyway, you can earn anywhere from $400 up to $1,200 total a month. This is coupling your lifestyle bonus with the extra if you do decide to get the Jeep. And again, this starts at gold. The only stipulation is it does need to be 5 years or newer. So, right now it's almost 25. You would just need to make sure it's a 2020 or newer. So anyway, I just want to encourage you to also see the compensation plan details. The booklet is actually on the company website, purev.com. So definitely make sure that you print that out. Review all the details. If you do decide to take advantage of the Jeep Club payment, like I said, you would just need to, obviously let our company know, submit proof of purchase, whether it be with your insurance, or show them your purchase of your vehicle. So anyway, this begins at gold. Once you go gold, again, this is on top of the lifestyle bonus. If you go gold and you do decide to get the Jeep on top of the lifestyle, you're going to get an additional $100 a month. For every month that you maintain gold, it's $100 extra. Ruby, an extra $150 on top of the lifestyle bonus. Emerald is an extra $200, Diamond an additional $250, Double Diamond an extra $300, Triple Diamond $350, and then of course Black Diamond is an extra $400 a month on top of that $1,000. So again, you could actually even have two, different Jeeps if you wanted to totally maximize this commission amount. So again, you guys, this is on top of the lifestyle bonus. It's a lot of fun. We've already got 10 brand new Jeep Club earners this past month. So anyway, we're just getting started, but it's a lot of fun. Our goal is to have Jeeps all over the United States rolling up and down the highways with Pure V logos on them. And by the way, the company will actually provide your logos. Once you actually submit your proof of purchase, you will receive those branded logos in the mail. You can get that in black. You can get your logos in white, or you can get them in the traditional company logo color, which is the blue and the green Pure V logo. So anyway, this is another way that you can earn. I absolutely love this bonus because we really want to incentivize everyone to help their team. So the more you help your personally enrolled partners have a win, the better you're going to do. So for example, this is called a check match bonus. And the way this works is it's unlimited income earning. There's no cap on the amount of check match bonus that you can earn. It's paid out every single week on Friday. And this is where this kicks in at the gold level and above. So let's just say, for example, you are a gold. You're now tapping into lifestyle bonuses. You're tapping into the Jeep Club. You are now actually getting check match bonus. And so this is a lot of fun, you guys. So just say, for example, you sponsored your friend, let's say Sherry. This is Sherry. She would be generation 1 to you because you personally sponsored her, kind of like a family tree, like your kids would be your first generation. The way this works is once you hit the rank of gold, you can actually earn a 15% check match on all of your personally enrolled partners. Okay. So let's just say Sherry, her binary team commission for this week was $1,000. If that's the case, and you personally sponsored Sherry and you're a qualified gold for this particular week, you're going to actually make 15% of her binary team commission. 15% of the 1,000 in volume would be an extra $150 for that particular week. So you guys keep in mind, this is in addition to the other 6 ways that you can earn. Now, here's the other great thing. As you keep advancing, you don't want to just stay at gold. Once you go gold, the only way that you're not going to go ruby is if you stop helping your team. So once you go gold, the best thing I can tell you to do is reach down and help every one of your partners promote to bronze, silver, and gold. And so once that happens, you help your team go gold. You are now going to promote to the rank of ruby. And this is exciting because not only are you getting check match on Sherry because you personally sponsored her, she's your first generation. Sherry turned around and sponsored Judy. Guess what? Judy is your generation 2. You're going to actually earn an additional 10% on Judy's weekly binary team commission. So let's say Judy, she did 1,000 in CV this week as well. Well, guess what? You're going to get an additional $100. So you get the 150 on Sherry. Because you're a Ruby, you're now also getting to receive that generation 2 check match, which is again another $100. Now, let's say you just keep going. You just went Emerald. You're now getting check match on your first generation, second generation, and now your third generation. So the way this works, Sherry brought in Judy. Judy brought in, let's say, Jerry. And now Jerry, guess what? He is going, let's say he did 2,000 this week. So 2,000, you're going to get a 5% bonus on that. So again, you guys do the math. I mean, this is getting pretty good because you went to Emerald, you're going to actually earn 3 generations on the check match bonus, which again, you guys, there's no limit to this. So the more people you personally sponsor, obviously, and you help them. That's the number one key thing is you really, really want to help your people have a win. So again, you just made what did we say here? It was 150 here, another 100 here. If you take the 2,000 times the 5%, that's another 100. So 100, 200, literally $350 this week just because you went Emerald. And you're also earning through 3 generations. Now, you can sponsor as many Sherrys as you want. You could sponsor 10 personals, 20 personals. Obviously, the more people you personally sponsor, the more generation 1s you're going to have. And if you keep helping them and you work in what we call depth, you're going to have a lot of people that are generation 2, generation 3, and beyond. So guys, I hope you can see the value in this. We really want to incentivize the right behaviors. And what that is really helping your people have a win. So I love the quote. I want to say it was by Tony Robbins. You know, the more you help other people get what they want, you're going to get what you want. So let's go out there and help everyone on our teams have a win. And like I said, we really want to help you get to gold, ruby, and emerald so you can tap in to this check match bonus. So last but not least, you guys, is the Founders Club bonus. This is the 7th way that you can get paid. This is only available to those that came in as a founding partner in our company. And the way this works is the company takes 1% of our entire quarterly volume. So all of the volume that is rolled through the company over the 3-month period, January, February, March, that volume is going to be put to the side in a pool. And what's going to happen is anyone that gets to the silver level and higher, basically you just have to qualify at the rank of silver or above 2 out of 3 months of that particular quarter. So let's just say it's the new year, you qualified in January, let's say February you didn't hit it, but then in March you did. So silver, you actually qualified January and March. So you would actually earn 1 share for that particular quarterly payout, which would be paid out the 15th of March. So anyway, hopefully this makes sense, you guys. This is very, very just a unique situation because it's a chance to really capitalize on the entire company's success nationwide. So keep in mind, there's only going to be 1,000 founders in the entire United States of America. Once we hit 1,000, this founders pool will close out indefinitely for the US market until we open up another international market. So again, this is paid out every quarter. You just have to be a founding partner. You can always upgrade. If you came in at a lower level and you've decided decided now that you want to engage in this founders pool, you can actually upgrade in your back office at any time. And again, the goal here is not only do you want to be a founder, but you want to make sure that you're qualifying at the silver or above 2 out of 3 months of each quarter. All right, so hopefully that's making sense. But here's the other great news. It doesn't stop at silver. Silver is 1 share. Gold and ruby also 1 share. Once you promote to emerald, you're now earning 2 shares of this nationwide founders quarterly pool. So you guys, the bigger this company gets, the bigger these shares are going to be paying out. And then last but not least, we have diamond and above. This is where you have the chance to earn 3 shares every quarter, as long as you're qualifying at the diamond and or higher 2 out of 3 months of that particular quarter. So you guys, I know this is a lot of information. You can listen to this recording over and over, but the most important thing, honestly, is getting started. If you're brand new, don't get overly inundated with all of these details. Sometimes it doesn't really make sense until you actually step into action and engage in building the business. Once you start building your binary team and you've enrolled your first 2 partners, that's when a lot of this actually starts to make sense. So I always tell people, don't suffer from paralysis by analysis. A lot of times this will make a lot more sense once you start to experience it for yourself. So again, this is you. The first thing you want to do really to get your binary team and start earning commissions is you just want to become a star. Sponsor 1 person on your left as a partner, 1 person on your right team that's a partner. So become a star and then help those people do the exact same thing. So once you bring in your friend Sherry, you want to help her get her first partner on her left leg and her first one on her right team. And same with your other brand new sign up, Judy. You're going to want to help her get one on her left and one on her right. So again, the name of the game is to become a star yourself and help create stars. Now, sponsoring 20 left, 20 right. I heard this from a very, very successful professional networker years ago, probably 20 years ago, and I'll never forget it. He said, if you want to make a 6 or 7 figure income, it's going to take some work, you guys. It's not going to just happen through osmosis. He said the benchmark for success to make that kind of an income is to personally sponsor 20 on your left team and to sponsor 20 on your right team. And the reason he said that is because a lot of those people are not going to engage right away. Some of those people are going to sit in here and incubate for maybe a month or 2, maybe 6 months. You never know. Some of these people will never do anything. And you just have to know the numbers going into it, that not everybody's going to be ready to hit the ground running. But what I learned from that guy 20 years ago is out of that 20 left, 20 right, you're going to have about 3 to 4 people on the left and 3 to 4 people on the right that are ready to hit the ground running, and they're going to be serious. They're going to want to build the business with you. So again, you're looking for the people that are looking. It's not that you don't want to help everyone, but some of those people, they just may want to enjoy the products a little longer. Maybe they're not quite ready. Maybe there's a lot of things going on in their life that is keeping them from building the business at that moment. So anyway, that is a very good benchmark for success. Sponsor 20 left, 20 right. Some people, it might take them a few months to do that. It might take them a year, but obviously the success loves speed. The sooner you get that done, the sooner your chances are of making that bigger income. Also, I just want to really encourage you to plug in. We have weekly corporate calls every Monday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. We have weekly calls with our Chief Medical Officer, Dr. De Silva, on Tuesdays at 7 p.m. We also do trainings. We do, Diamond Academies. We have all kinds of events to plug into. So make sure that you're plugging in. The more you learn, the more you're going to earn in this industry. Also, help your team. This is very important. When you bring in your brand new partners, make sure that you're there for them, that you can support them, get them plugged into everything that the company's doing. And also plug them into your upline leaders. All right. So anyway, here's the other thing, you guys. Take ownership, help your team. I love this, you guys. Help your team rank up. Offer to do calls for them. If you aren't comfortable doing any of these type of activities, get with your upline active rubies, emeralds, diamonds. They would be happy to help you with Zooms, in-home presentations, whatever you need. Also, but take ownership. That's so important. Any business, if you're really looking to have success, you really want to treat it like a business. Sometimes people get into a business like this, and unfortunately, they don't really treat it like a business, and then they get discouraged. So I just want to encourage you, if you want this to work like a business, you really want to take ownership and treat it like a real business. The other thing is, this is a 2 to 5 year business plan. A lot of times people come in and they expect to have results happen overnight. This is no different than any other industry, whether it be real estate, or maybe just a whole new industry that you've never done. It takes time to actually, learn the business. So give yourself 2 to 5 years. It's a series of 90-day runs. Also, be consistent and persistent in your activity. That's very, very important. I can't reiterate that enough, that consistent and persistent activity is really the key. I like to call it the slight edge. It's the little things that you do every day consistently that are what accumulate into a great result and a great outcome. And then finally, focus on your activity, not the results. A lot of times people will focus on the act, or they'll focus on the results. They're looking at their numbers, they're looking at their business. It's not growing yet. But again, the results will come if you keep doing the activity and you don't give up. So, guys, don't ever quit. Don't ever give up. My husband, Tony, and I are super excited to have you joining our company. And, if you're serious about building this business, we want to know who you are. Reach out to us, reach out to your upline. We are here for you. And I tell you what, this business model absolutely works if you go out there and work it. So thank you for listening in. And again, if you have any questions at all, please get with your active upline leader. Let them know how we can help you with understanding this compensation more. And also, I highly recommend that you go to the purev.com website, download the compensation plan booklet, print it out, and make sure that you review it, really get to know it, take the time to study it, and get to know how our compensation plan works. So have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you on a live call coming up soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.